Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura.
And I'm Shelby.
And it's day 22 of our Advent calendar. We are in the home stretch. Just a couple more days and we'll have our charm bracelet and our glow-in-the-dark necklace. Yes. Alright, so I'm trying to remember. I said spacer, you said charm.
Mm-hmm. Let's
see who is right. Okay, I found 23. And there's 24. 22. Okay, well. Here we go. Let's see what we got. Ha. I think I was right. We got a real pretty spacer.
I want to see. Oh, it's another one of those.
Yeah, we had
It can go with the Santa group.
A green one like that. So now we've got a red one.
I think some of these, because they match, they're supposed to go on either end.
Yeah.
Like the pink and the blue one can be on this on the same bracelet. Mm-hmm. So I get all the blue and pink stuff.
Okay, and I get all the red and green?
Yes. Don't know how to figure out the cat. I think that cat goes with me.
Of course. Hey, my stuff's, starting to get thinner over here. I had it pretty well stacked up. What happened here? Oh, well.
You have the Vespa and the...
Oh, okay. All right, that's a little bit better.
But I get the blue stuff. Okay, that's actually a lot of... We'll work this out better, different.
We'll have to work this. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Otherwise, you are going to see a cat fight.
There's a lot of pink and blues.
Well, I don't need it totally filled up anyway. Just a little bit of a jingle. We'll get it worked out. I'll help you happy. It'll be fine. Yeah. You listen to her?
I have that one, too.
Oh, are you sure? The heart one?
Yeah, I have the butterfly.
Oh, okay. Alright.
This one can be undecided because it can go either way.
Is she not awesome? Pretty awesome kid, huh?
I realize this isn't... Oh, I know there is pink.
Yeah, there is pink on it. Yep. Alright. 2 more days. 2 more days. Wow. This month has gone by so quickly.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we hope that you guys have finished all your preparations and you're just relaxing your way into the Christmas holidays. We hope you've enjoyed. Please consider subscribing, liking, making a comment. So today we got a spacer. Yeah. So what do you think we're going to have tomorrow?
Charm.
She says charm again. I'm going to be contrary and say spacer.
Oh, no.
Yeah, so let's see who's right. Don't forget to come back to find out who is right in their prognostication.
Bye.
Have a great day. Thanks for watching.